goes over, I reach for this grip, boom. I like this arm bar, I hit this arm bar a lot. One of the attacks that honestly that I tend to go for a lot that is underutilized, I've got this weird arm bar that I tend to hit a lot, okay? I just grab the guy's head. And it's honestly relatively simple to hit this. It's just a lot of people, you know, they're not paying attention. So there's two entries that I use. One of them is sometimes I'll get a hold of the guy's elbow, I'll put my hand here, and I'll start bumping his arm over. So I'll bump, bump, bump. If I get it over, I'll switch my hands like this. So I did here. I went here, bump, bump, grip, grip, and then I just cross my feet. Now his elbow's in my hip, and then I pull, and that's the arm bar. I hit this a lot. Okay, so here's what I need to do. I like to keep this foot, if I can do this, it's over. But sometimes as long as I can just kind of get something on his shoulder or something to keep him down, and I've got his elbow in my hip, I can land this. Another similar entry I use is a cross grip. So I'm here and I go under and I get a cross grip and I hold his head. So when he's fighting, he's pulling his arm back, that's fine. I'm strong enough to keep his arm there. I might not be strong enough to pull his arm. So I just keep his arm there and I keep scooting, scooting, scooting until I'm here. I push, this goes over, I reach for this grip, boom. I like this arm bar, I hit this arm bar a lot. If the guy's flexible and he starts trying to straighten his arm, cool, you just switch to a belly down.